नमस्ते एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल संस्कारा बाय निशिता। आई होप कि आप लोग एकदम स्वस्थ, मस्त और तंदुरुस्त होंगे। सो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं कुछ ऐसे आसन और प्राणायाम जो हेल्प करेगा हमें माइग्रेन में। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स डाइव इन। जब किसी को माइग्रेन होता है, so it takes away few hours and sometimes few days also. It is that persistent. And common causes जो देखने को मिले हैं माइग्रेन के, that is number 1 lack of sleep. आपकी sleep cycle irregular है. Number 2 is your diet. Your diet is not as healthy as it should be. Number 3 is hormonal imbalances. There is some hormonal imbalances जिसकी वजह से भी ये migraine attacks trigger हो रही हैं. And number 4 is stress, जो बहुत ज़्यादा common है. So हम करेंगे इस वीडियो में बहुत easy आसनास और कुछ ऐसे प्राणायाम जो आसना के बाद आप कर सकते हैं. That is going to provide you some relief in your migraine. So let's go. So the first asana is Adho Mukha Svanasana. For that, we'll get into tabletop position. Now, get your toes in, lift the knees up and push the heel down. Now make sure you are not putting too much stress on the neck. It's relaxed. Now if you feel this is too much stress, you can slightly bend the knee and push your chest towards the thighs. Stay here for a few breaths. Make sure your breath is calm. Again, make sure that you do not have too much pressure on the neck. And slowly come down. The next asana is a Supta Baddha Konasana. For that, we'll lie down on our back. Now, join the feet together, externally rotate from the hip and then gradually get the feet closer to the groin and then slowly just keep the pillow under the knee. Keep your hands on the inner thigh and then relax. Stay here for few breaths. Now yoga is going to help you increase the blood circulation, relax your nervous system and then calm your body and mind down. That is going to help you in your migraine. We are so much stressed that we need to relax and calm our body. Now slowly join the knee together and then slowly come up. The next asana is Setu Bandhasana. For that, again we are going to lie down on our back. You're going to bend the knee. Now from here, before lifting up, make sure you tuck the tailbone in. So if you see this, we need to tuck the tailbone in. So tuck the tailbone in. Straighten the legs and then the next asana is Bal Asana. Now child pose. For that, we'll come up in tabletop position. Keep your toes together and the knees are apart. Now from here, sit down and then exhale, go down and get the head on the mat. Now you need to keep your body relaxed and breathe normally. So when you're doing this practice, your yoga practice, this is a very good asana to relax and take few deep breaths to get your body again recharged. And then slowly come back. Now the next asana is the Viparit Karni Asana. Now for Viparit Karni Asana, we need a wall. So you need to put your mat against the wall. So I'm going to sit as close as possible to the wall, and then I'm going to slowly lie down. Now I'm going to get one foot up, other feet up, and then flex my feet for a little stretch. And I'm going to stay here for a few breaths. Ideally, I can just place my hand on the stomach. Take few deep breaths. Now when I say few deep breaths, you can take as long as possible, as long as your body needs. You don't have to stick to 8 breaths, 12 breaths. If you feel you need 15 breaths, by all means, stay here and relax. Now once you're done, you're going to just bend the knee. You're going to lie down towards one side and then gradually sit down. Now once you've done all the asanas, we are going to move towards the pranayam. So we are going to be doing 2 pranayam, Anulom Vilom and Brahmari. So for that, we are going to sit in any comfortable position. You don't have to sit necessarily in Padmasana. If that's uncomfortable, the position should be comfortable. Now from here, I'm going to be getting my index and the middle finger into Vishnu Mudra, and the other 3 fingers are straight. Now I'm going to close my right nostril with the thumb, and the ring finger is going to be on the left nostril. Now you're going to close the right nostril, you're going to inhale through the left, you're going to close the left, exhale through the right, and then again inhale through the right, close, and then exhale. So let's do it together. So close your right nostril, inhale through the left, close the left, exhale through the right, inhale, close the right, and then exhale through the left. Now this becomes 1 round. You can do 5 rounds, 8 rounds, 10 rounds without holding the breath. So in this we are not holding the breath, we are just inhaling and then exhaling. The next pranayam is Brahmari pranayam. For that, I'm going to close my ears with the thumb, and I'm going to gently place the 4 fingers over the eyes gently. Alternately, you'll also see some people doing this. So the index is on the eyes, and then the middle finger is on the tip of the nose, and then the ring finger is on the tip of on the lips, and then on the bottom is the small finger, little finger. But I usually find this comfortable. I just press my ears and then rest all the 4 fingers comfortably on my ears. You're not eyes. You're not pressing the fingers, just gently place it. I'm going to inhale, and while exhaling, I'm going to make a humming sound. So, so you can do this 8 to 12 times, and by doing these asanas and pranayam for a longer time, you will be able to see results in your migraine. Now, just a few words. When you're doing your asana practice, make sure the place is quiet, it's not noisy, it's lightly dimmed, so you have a relaxing practice. If you have a migraine attack, Don't do any kind of inversion, puts more pressure on the brain, so avoid doing that. Also try to take support of blocks or bolsters wherever you need. The asana practice should be relaxing and it should not be too much effort for the body. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found this video useful. And if you did, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. मैं अपने चैनल में ऐसे ही कुछ वीडियोस डालती हूँ लाइफस्टाइल रिलेटेड डिजीजेस की, जिसके सोल्यूशन योगा या आयुर्वेदा में छुपा है। कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स आसना आपके लिए ब्रेक डाउन करती हूँ ताकि आपको वो आसना कॉम्प्लेक्स ना लगे और आप इजीली अपने घर में वो परफॉर्म कर सके। सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, इट इज गोइंग टू मीन अ लॉट टू मी। और हाँ, ये वीडियो अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली को जरूर शेयर करना। एंड हाँ, अगर आप एक योगा टीचर हैं जो अपने करियर में एक्सेल करना चाहते हैं, देन you need to follow आरोग्यम योगा एंड वेलनेस बाय सप्तशिखा। आप एक ऐसे व्यक्ति हैं जो अपनी योगा जर्नी स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, योगा फिलॉसफी जानना चाहते हैं, डिटेल में आसनास को समझना चाहते हैं, देन यू नीड टू कॉल ऑन दिस नंबर फॉर मोर डिटेल्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए नमस्ते, टेक केयर।